Hey, take a close look at this. What you are seeing right now isn't a video stream and it's not a remote connection to a computer. This is a full desktop class Linux operating system running natively, right here on my smartphone. Look at how smooth this mouse movement is. I'm dragging windows, opening menus, and the response time is instant. This is the XFCE desktop environment, which is known for being lightweight and incredibly fast, making it absolutely perfect for mobile devices. I want to be clear right from the start. I am demonstrating this on a OnePlus device, but this method is universal. Whether you have a Samsung, a Xiaomi, a Pixel, or a Realme, as long as you have a decent Android phone, you can do this. You are essentially carrying a powerful computer in your pocket, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock it. Now, a lot of people think running Linux on Android is just a gimmick, or that it's going to be laggy. But check this out. I've got the browser open. This is Firefox, and I'm loading up YouTube. Notice the loading speeds? It feels just like a laptop. I can scroll through the feed, click on a video, and it plays immediately. The audio is synced perfectly, the video rendering is smooth, and we aren't seeing those graphical glitches that used to happen with older methods. This is thanks to hardware acceleration, which utilizes your phone's GPU to render the desktop rather than relying solely on the CPU. That is the secret sauce that makes this specific installation method so much better than what we had a few years ago. Let's push it a bit further. I'm jumping over to Wikipedia, then over to Reddit. You can see how the text renders sharply. If you are a student, a developer, or just someone who loves tech, imagine the possibilities here. You could have your coding documentation open in one window, a terminal running in another, and a YouTube tutorial playing in the background. It handles complex web pages without breaking a sweat. If you connect a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to your phone, which I highly recommend, you basically turn your phone into a portable workstation. You can write code, edit documents, or just browse the desktop web without those annoying mobile versions of websites getting in your way. Let's look at the system info so you know this is legit. I'm popping open the task manager and the terminal. You can see here, this is running on an ARM64 architecture. That's the mobile chip. It's utilizing the memory efficiently, leaving plenty of RAM for your Android apps to keep running in the background. We are about 3 minutes in, and I hope you're seeing the potential here. This isn't just a terminal screen, it's a graphical interface that transforms the utility of your device. So, are you ready to turn your phone into a beast? I'm going to wipe this slate clean and walk you through the entire process. So, let's start the installation process. But before moving forward, a huge shout out and credit goes to Tech Jarves brother. The amazing method we are going to use was developed by him, and it's because of him that this experience is possible on Android. Now, let's look at the step-by-step installation. First of all, you need to go to your phone settings and scroll down. On many phones, you will find an option called Build Number here. Tap on it 7 times. As soon as you complete the 7 taps, a notification will appear saying, "You are now a developer." Now go back and navigate to System, and here you will find a newly unlocked option called Developer Options. Now we need to do a small setting so that Android doesn't kill our Linux in the background. Go into your phone's Developer Options. Scroll down there or search for Child Process Restrictions. My device doesn't have this option, so I'll show you on my second phone. Find it, and if it is on, turn it off. This step is very important, otherwise, the installation might get stuck in the middle. Now for the next step, go to the GitHub link given in the description. From there, you need to download 2 apps. One is Termux, and the other is Termux X11. Make sure you download the GitHub versions only, because the Play Store version might be outdated. After installing the apps, let's get to the main magic. Open the Termux app. I have provided Tech Jarves' magical one-line command in the description. Just copy that command and paste it here in Termux and hit enter. Now watch, this script will automatically detect which phone you have, which processor it has, and which drivers are needed. You don't have to do anything, just relax. The installation might take some time. It depends on your internet speed. It could take around 10 to 15 minutes, so I have fast-forwarded the video here. After the installation is complete, you need to come back and open the Termux X11 app, and then leave this app running in the background. Now come back to Termux again. Now just type /start-hacklab.sh and hit enter. Now, quickly open the Termux X11 app, and boom, your Linux desktop has started. In the beginning, the screen might look small, so go to Preferences from the notification panel and set Display Resolution to Custom. I usually prefer 720p because the text size looks perfect on the phone screen, and set Orientation to Auto or Landscape so you can enjoy full screen. So, did you see? Now, your Android phone has become a full-fledged Linux machine. Whether you want to do coding, browsing, or heavy tasks, everything is possible. If you found this video helpful, definitely like it and don't forget to give credit to Tech Jarves. This method is his masterpiece. See you in the next video with some more new tech. Bye.